Hey guys, welcome to my video. If it's echoey, it's because I'm in my bathroom. And I'm in my bathroom because I am going to trim myself bangs. We're all going like coronavirus, COVID-19 crazy and decided to do things to our hair that we probably shouldn't do. But my best friend is a hairdresser and she posted how to trim your own bangs on Facebook. So I feel like if I follow those same directions, I could also just cut my own bangs. It makes sense to me, okay? And if I screw it up, I'll just pin it during Zoom calls until it grows out and we're gonna be fine by the time I see her and she can just fix it. So here we go.
The first rule of trimming your bangs is only trim your bangs when they're dry. Do not cut your hair when it's wet, especially your bangs.
Okay, dry hair. Start with dry hair, I could do that.
And the second rule of bangs and any cutting is always start with less.
Start with less, I could do that.
When you do start cutting them, I would rather you cut a millimeter off 8 times than cut an inch off once and hate your life. Because trust me, there's something about if you have bangs up here and you're not looking for the Audrey Hepburn look, it's gonna suck to grow those out. So another rule is you wanna have the sharpest scissors possible.
I do not have sharp scissors. I have 2 very dull scissors. Extremely dull, like barely can cut paper, but we're gonna make do.
Please do not use texturizing shears on your own head. I've seen people try it and it's bad.
I don't even know what texturizing shears are, so.
Like I said, style your bangs how you normally would wear them. This is how I wear them.
So this is the problem. She said style like you normally wear them, but like I don't already have bangs.
First, I'm gonna go over the side swept look.
Yeah, that's what I want. Side swept fringe. This is gonna be a disaster. That seems right for bangs, right?
Part your hair where you usually wear it.
Right here.
And then what you want to do is take a sort of a triangular section like this.
Triangular section. What?
There's so many different types of triangles. I have no clue what kind of triangle she means.
And we're gonna clip this out of the way.
Clip it out of the way. Should I do my part?
And then what you want to do is you don't want to just pull them down and cut right here. For one thing, you definitely don't ever want to cut them where you think you want them. You always want to go longer because they're going to bounce up and then you're going to have really short bangs. But if you want your bangs to lay at a nice angle,
I want them like this, but chunky, like over my eye.
all you do is simply take this and over direct it the opposite way.
Opposite way. Maybe I'll start here first. Over directed, but straight. Oh God.
And then just cut straight right there.
It kind of looks okay, but I need to go lower. Over directed and cut straight. Don't come for me, Cassie. Oh my God. Is this my mental breakdown? I'm like shaking. Everything's gonna be okay. Is this what I want? I want less than that. And again, she said do it like 8 times, so. Oh my God, there's so much hair in my sink. Oh my gosh. I honestly thought this was gonna be like therapeutic, but I'm pretty sure that like I am about to have a nervous breakdown right now. Oh shoot, my part is way over here. Well, guess we're parting it this way now. I should have straightened it. I feel like that looks fine. Right? We shall straighten and return. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. And the reason I usually like to have this is so that it sticks out when I do put my hair up like this. And I think that maybe this is still a little bit too long.
Like maybe I want it more like that. So we're gonna cut one more time. Also, I always see like hairdressers cut like up like this. So I'm gonna do that too, because why not? I don't know what this does. I do feel like that's more like the length that I want it. Okay, first off, I did kind of screw up because normally I part my hair like this. So there's like this piece, but I'm gonna just have to train my hair that he's gonna get parted farther now because I already cut it, so. It's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst, right? I'm actually proud. For my first time ever cutting my own hair, this is kind of what I would want it to look like. Cover my eye a little bit, only one eye, like, is she looking at you? Is she looking at her own hair? You don't know. So that's it. That is my video for today. I'll put a link to her full Facebook video if you want to see like the beginning and end, because she also does like the blunt across bang, which just wouldn't work for me because my hair is so curly that like if my bangs are too short and I just don't feel like doing them that day, I can't just pin those curls. Like it's just gonna be like weird little head curls, like forehead curls, and nobody wants that. I am happy with what I did, except that I'm gonna have to retrain my hair where to part, but I'm kind of like liking how far my part is. I never parted that far, but I feel like that's super cute too. Who knows? So the video question of today is, have you done anything crazy for yourself during our stay-at-home orders? Have you cut your own hair, dyed your own hair, tried to remove acrylics or lashes, or waxed your own eyebrows, whatever? I want to hear about it. Yes or no, have you done anything crazy yet? And put what you did, if you feel comfortable with that, in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!